customer. They need to click on the shared link and enter some basic information like name, contact number and email ID and submit the same. Once the customer fills these details, their lead on the OneCode app will automatically get created. Ask your customer to start the sign-up process either on the app or on the website. Enter the PAN, mobile number and OTP received on phone to proceed. Enter basic information such as DOB, marital status, gender, occupation, income range and trading experience. Submit the basic details and click on Submit and Proceed. Complete KYC with Aadhaar OTP and click on Verify with Aadhaar OTP. Click on Open Camera and capture a clear picture of themselves against a clear background. Enter bank name or IFSC code and verify bank account by entering the bank account number. To complete the signature verification, sign where prompted and click on Submit Sign. Continue to Aadhaar e-sign and complete the account opening process. Account will get activated within 24 to 48 hours after document verification process. If the customer has e-signed but not activated the account with KYC, they will get 10 days to activate the account to be investment ready. After activation, customer can start investing in stocks. Your commission will be added to the dashboard once the verification of your lead is complete.